Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grok Keys. In today's tutorial, I'll be doing a tutorial how to master your left and your right hand on keyboard. I'm going to do this very tutorial on the key of F. So guys, before I continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, follow. Yeah. So I'm doing things on the key of F, which is your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Understand? So I'm going to be using a simple song for this very tutorial. Something like thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Everything you have done. So, see how I play this simple? I'm just playing the octave on the left. Thank you, See? I'm just playing. So the first off, the progression of this very song is te, do, sol, 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 fa. Basics for beginners. This is how to play it. Don't do much thing and you'll be okay. So see how I see the trick I use so that you can play your left and your right simultaneously without mistakes. Thank you. See, I did my F. This is my do, my octave. This is my do, sol, do, sol, do. So do, thank you. Do so do. On my right I play my, you see? Do so do. So practice it, you get it. Do so do. Thank you, Lord. So this is the movement. This is a trick you can use as a beginner. You'll be okay, so that you won't be making mistakes and you'll be okay. Thank you. Let me play it, then I will explain it further. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Everything you have done. See? It's very simple. I just broke it down to the lowest so that anybody can play it. So this is majorly what I played here. My do, my sol, my fa, then sol, then do. So this is the do chord I'm using. My sol do, which is the second inversion of your do chord on F. This is your F, the first inversion, second inversion. So this is the one I'm using. This is my sol, do, mi. You get it? And the sol that I use there is my ti, re, sol. Then the fa I use is my la, do, fa. Those are three major chords I played on this very song. But then on my left is my do sol do, do sol do. Then my sol here is my sol la, sol re sol. Then my fa la do, sol re sol. Then do sol do. So let me play it from the beginning to end. Then I play the beat, then we call it a tutorial. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Everything you have done. simple it is, so that with this you won't find it difficult to play most songs. And as to play any song, even as a beginner, from here you can improve more your playing. You understand? So let me use another song as an example. Let's use Lord, you are like that. You see the same movement. You are all precious and gold. You are there is nothing I desire better. I added the ray here. You understand? So I added the ray. But your though you're far on your song, you can also be okay. We lift your name high. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name high. Shout hallelujah. Shout hallelujah. So this is how to play your left and your right hand on keyboard without any mistakes. You understand? If you follow this very channel, I'm going to teach you some simple things you can play. Some simple ways to play the keyboard. From there you will learn and become a better player. You understand? Let me play with the beat again. We lift your name. We lift your name. We lift your name. Above all names. So there you have it, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you guys in my next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.